Have you ever noticed that some animals have strange blue or black spots on their tongues? Is it a hidden superpower, a genetic quirk, or does it actually serve a purpose? Today, we're uncovering the science behind this fascinating trait. From domestic dogs to wild giraffes, these dark patches aren't just random. They're linked to genetics, evolution, and even survival. Let's explore the real reasons behind this mysterious phenomenon. 1. Which animals have blue-black tongue spots? Not all animals have these spots, but some species are famous for them. Here are the most well-known examples. Chow Chows and Sharpies almost always have solid blue-black tongues, a defining breed trait. Giraffes. Their tongues can be dark purple or black, especially at the tips. Polar bears often have partially or fully black tongues, possibly for UV protection. Certain cattle breeds, some cows have dark patches on their tongues. A few big cats. Rare, but some lions and leopards may have slight pigmentation. But why do these animals have such uniquely colored tongues while others don't? The answer lies in melanin, the same pigment that gives color to human skin and hair. 2. The science behind the dark pigmentation. The dark spots are caused by melanin deposits, just like freckles or birthmarks in humans. But in some animals, this pigmentation is controlled by specific genes. Expert. In Chow Chows, the TYRP1 gene is responsible for their blue-black tongues. This gene affects melanin production, leading to hyperpigmentation. Interestingly, this trait is so consistent that it's used to identify purebred chows. For giraffes, the dark coloration may also be linked to sun protection, since their tongues are exposed to harsh sunlight for hours while feeding. 3. Possible evolutionary advantages. One leading theory is that dark tongues provide natural protection. Giraffes feed on thorny acacia trees. Their dark, thick tongues may help prevent sunburn and minor injuries. Polar bears, on the other hand, might benefit from melanin-rich tongues to prevent frostbite and UV damage in freezing conditions. But not all cases have a clear survival benefit. In dogs like the Chow Chow, it's likely just a genetic signature passed down through breeding. 4. Are these spots normal or a cause for concern? Veterinarian. In most cases, blue-black spots on an animal's tongue are completely normal and harmless. However, if a pet that normally has a pink tongue suddenly develops new dark patches, it's worth checking with a vet to rule out rare conditions like melanoma. For wild animals, these spots are almost always natural, but in pets, it's good to monitor any changes. 5. Myths and misconceptions. There are a few myths about dark animal tongues. Let's debunk them. Myth 1. Only Chow Chows have black tongues. Truth. Many animals, including giraffes and polar bears, do too. Myth 2. Black spots mean the animal is mixed with a Chow Chow. Truth. While common in chows, other breeds, and wild animals can naturally have them too. Myth 3. Dark tongues are a sign of disease. Truth. Usually they're genetic and harmless, unless sudden changes occur. So, why do some animals have blue-black tongues? It's mostly due to melanin, genetics, and sometimes evolutionary benefits, whether for sun protection, toughness, or just breed traits. Nature is full of incredible adaptations, and even something as simple as tongue color can have a fascinating backstory. If you liked the video, don't forget to follow the Vet News channel, like it, share it with those who also love and care for animals, and leave a comment. Your participation is very important so that we can continue producing informative and quality content. If you have any questions, suggestions for topics, or want to exchange ideas, just get in touch. Thank you very much for following along and being part of our community. See you in the next video on Vet News, where knowledge about the animal world never stops.